Hey guys, welcome back to Sanai's Hair World. Today we're going to be using the product that Reagan Sanai sent us. First up, we have a Reagan Sanai Rosemary Curl Defining Gel. Then we have a avocado and banana deep conditioner. Next, we have a moisturizing black soap shampoo. Then we have a mango butter sulfur hair and body butter. We have a aloe refresher spray. We have a sprayer for the aloe refresher spray. Then we have a moisturizing leave-in detangler. Last but not least, Reagan Moisturizing Growth Oil. Thank you Reagan Sanai for sending me these products. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair with these awesome products. I have the shampoo in my hair and I'm massaging it and it smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to be putting an avocado and banana deep conditioner. I have the deep conditioner in my hair. Now I'm going to wait 15 minutes. I'll be back. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. Let me feel how my hair feels. My hair feels really soft and silky. I did not detangle my hair before washing it, so I'm going to be going in with the leave-in conditioner. It does smell like kiwi and aloe vera. I'm going to clip the left side up and detangle the right side so it's easier for me. First, I'm going to finger detangle my hair, then I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb. I've got all detangles out of this side. Now let's get to the other side. And then I had to go through it with some water a couple times. I just finished detangling this side. I had to add a little bit of water because it was drying up. Remember, when detangling your hair, you don't have to add more product. Just add more water. First, I'm going to take this clip out and add some of this growth oil all around my hair. I'm going to be putting this kind of like on the top of my head. The oil smells really good and strong. Now I'm going to be putting this on my bangs since this is a growth oil and see how long my hair gets every 30 days. Okay, we're going to be checking progress on Reagan Sanai's growth oil. This is day 1. Today I'm just going to be going out with the all-out look, just all my hair out. Here's my final look, just a wash and go with Reagan Sanai's product. My name is Siani. If you like today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Comment down below if you want to see more hair tutorials. Bye, girlfriends!